Good day to everyone. Now I will show you how to use the trial maneuver on the radar. Uh, First, we are going to acquire the targets. We have the first target, second target, and then the third target. Okay. Then we have to adjust the vector, relative vector, let's say into 20 minutes. Okay, so the required CPA, let's say, is 2 nautical miles. Then now we are going to wait the vector to come out. Okay, so as you can see, the relative vector. Then now we're going to open the BRM. And then let's set the BRM to 2 nautical miles as our CPA. So we have now the BRM of 2 nautical miles. Then click the trial maneuver. Then switch on. So as you can see the letter T on the radar, it means to say that the trial maneuver is now running. Then adjust the delay to 3 minutes. Then you have to adjust the course in order to find the course to alter in order to have a 2 nautical miles CPA. So we have now a course to alter of 041. So we have now the 2 nautical miles CPA. Or let's say, let's change our CPA to 1.5. So let's set the BRF to 1.5. Then again, adjust the course. Okay, so we have now a 033 degrees having a CPA of 1.5 nautical miles. Okay, so we have now the course to alter of 033 in order to have a CPA of 1.5 nautical miles. So as you can see, we still have the 2 minutes delay. So once the delay become 0 minutes, then it will automatically off. The trial maneuver will automatically off. Then that was the time that you have to alter your course to 033 or the course to alter in order to have a 1.5 nautical miles CPA. Okay? So that's all on how to use the trial maneuver on the radar. Thank you for watching.